Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you a very powerful way you can stop having fever and infections. The things you need are a jug or a plastic bottle like you are seeing in the video. You need fresh turmeric, you need garlic, and you need cloves. So I'm going to be showing you the items one after the other. So in this video, I'm going to be using this jug. As you can see, I filled it with 1 liter of water. Then these are cloves. For those of you that don't know cloves, these are cloves. When you go to the Nigerian market, you tell the Hausa people selling all these spices, you tell them cloves, in case you don't know cloves. I have my fresh turmeric here, as you can see. I have my garlic here. So I'm going to be washing everything. For the garlic, I'll peel the body and cut it into pieces, add to the water. For the turmeric, I'll peel the body, cut it into cubes, add to the water. Then for the cloves, I'll wash and add to the water. When I finish, I'll show you what I got. So I've added my cloves and my garlic. Here is my turmeric. I've washed and scraped the body. I've cut it. So I'm going to add to the water now. So I'll cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 days. You can start drinking after 2 days and you start seeing the effect. So I have the benefits for garlic, for cloves, and for turmeric, so that you know that what you are taking is very powerful. For garlic, it helps protect against illness, including cold. It reduces blood sugar and blood pressure. It lowers risk of heart disease. It detoxifies your body. For turmeric, it relieves pain. It reduces arthritis. Then for cloves, it kills bacteria, it reduces stomach ulcer, then it promotes bone health. Then the benefit of what I just did now is it fights against infection. Then it helps in reducing any kind of inflammation in the body. Then it helps against fever, like you'll be having malaria symptom every time you are taking drugs. Try this and you'll be free from fever and infection, any kind of infection, no matter how stubborn the infection is. Once you take this combination, you are free from infection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video, and look forward to my video. Thank you so much.